Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you how you can hide or lock your photo using your fingerprint and pass key at your iOS device. For this you need a simple document apps. This is a document app. You can find this app at App Store easily. So go to App Store, then search document. This is the app document by Riddle. I already installed this app, so I skip this installing process. So after here is the document icon. So to enable your passkey and fingerprint, go to your document app, then go to your setting. Here you can find general option. Go to general, then here is the one option passkey lock. Turn this on. Here is the enable touch ID. If you want to enable your touch ID, then enable this option, and you need to provide a finger passkey. So I provide a passkey. So here is the passkey. So after doing this, you need to enable your give the access permission of your photo gallery. So for this, go to your setting, then go to your file manager. Here is the option show photo. Enable this option show photos. After doing this, here you can see the photo album option is showing in this under this app. So before doing this process, I like to show my photo gallery. Here is my photo gallery camera roll. Here is the some photos and video. Now I like to show, here is all my photo and video. So I like to log to photo and video. So before doing this, you need to create a folder. So for this, go to edit, click this create folder icon. I'd like to test. So done. Now go to photos, which photo you want to lock or hide. So edit, I like this too, and this one. So here under this section you can find some option copy, move, email, upload, and some more. If you want to permanently hide or lock, then click move, then go to personal, then go to your documents. Here is the test folder. So here is move your whole file. So move. It will take some time. It depends on your file size. So here is the option do not allow delete. So if you want to permanently hide or lock your image or video, then you need to delete. Don't worry, you can find your image back. You need to delete, because if you not delete, then both file at your photo gallery and also Riddle folder, both file will be saved. So I like delete. So here is the no file. But when I go to my test folder, here is my file. Here is my file. So if in this way you can hide or lock, I like to show my photo gallery. So here is no file. So again, you need to also delete from the cycle. So delete. So no one can find this image or video in my gallery. Only he or she can find this image or video at so I like to show, go to test. Here is the file. So if you want to move this file in your photo gallery, then hit edit, select all, and here is the move option, move photos, and you can move here. So in this way you can move also your photo in your photo gallery. Here is my photo. So if anyone if you move your photo, so I like this one lock, so sorry, so edit, move, paste and move, so delete, then go to your photo gallery, select and delete, so no one can find this. So when anyone can open your document, he or she need to your fingerprint, and if you fail to use fingerprint, then you need to provide your passkey. Just click at the fingerprint button. So I like to provide my passkey. So here is my folder. So again I like to show you need to provide your fingerprint. If you unable to provide fingerprint, then just enable, go to provide your passkey, it will be open. So in this way you can hide or lock your photos, video. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for get more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.